Hey, guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we'll share two super easy scarf bind-off methods. Method 1, the link loop method. Start from here. Place the last loop onto the second to last peg. Pull the lower loop through the upper one. Remove the loop, place it onto the next peg. Repeat until the last loop. Take off the loop. Cut off. Pull the yarn. Hide the yarn. Method 2, traditional bind-off method. Leave the working yarn in place. Lift the bottom loop over the peg to the inside of the loom. Remove the loop from the peg and place it onto peg 1. Lift the bottom loop over the top one. Forward. Repeat wrapping gives lift gives remove. Remove the loop from the backward peg and place it onto the forward peg and lift the bottom loop over the top one. Repeat until the last loop. the loop. Cut off. Pull the yarn. Hide the yarn. These two methods create different patterns. Choose your favorite. That's all for today. Bye. Subscribe for more content.